In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly with Gmail. Calendly is an excellent tool for scheduling and managing your appointments without the constant back and forth of emails. By integrating it with Gmail, you can streamline your workflow even further, enabling real-time scheduling directly from your inbox. Whether you're coordinating meetings, organizing events, or simply trying to avoid double bookings, this setup will make your life much easier. And if you don't already have a Calendly account, be sure to check the link in the description to sign up and get started. Let's dive in and get everything set up. First, head over to the Calendly homepage at www.calendly.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Now, if you're new to Calendly, you'll need to sign up first. You can do this easily using your email address or by connecting your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your homepage, which is the central hub for all your scheduling needs. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a menu. This is where you can manage your events, access your account settings, and explore other options to customize your Calendly experience. It's worth getting comfortable with this menu because it's where you'll be navigating to make changes or updates in the future. Next, locate the menu on the left side of your screen and find the section labeled Integrations and Apps. Click on it. This part of Calendly is incredibly useful because it allows you to connect Calendly with other apps that you use daily. By integrating with tools like Gmail, you can streamline your scheduling process even more efficiently. Now, on the Integrations page, scroll through the available options until you see the one called Gmail for Workflows Setup. Once you find it, click on it to begin setting up the Gmail integration. This will ensure that your Gmail account works seamlessly with Calendly. From there, you'll see a button that says Connect Gmail. Click on that button, and you'll be prompted to log in using your Gmail credentials. Make sure you have your Gmail email address and password ready for this step. If you don't see the login option immediately, don't worry, it might just take a moment to load. Go ahead and enter your Gmail email address and password when prompted. This step is crucial because it links your Gmail account to Calendly, allowing the two platforms to work together. Once you've entered your information, confirm the integration to finalize the connection. By doing this, you're enabling Calendly to access your Gmail account, which means you'll be able to schedule appointments and manage emails in real time. After confirming, take a moment to verify that the integration is working as intended. You can do this by checking your Calendly interface to ensure that your Gmail account is now connected. This final step is important because it ensures that everything is set up correctly, and it prevents any missed appointments or scheduling issues moving forward. And just like that, you've successfully integrated Calendly with Gmail. Now you can enjoy seamless scheduling directly from your email, saving you time and making your workflow even more efficient. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.